It's a Corona. Alright, thank goodness. And when I moved here almost 8 years ago, I really was into the spring break, and I could say the opposite of how I feel now. It's just crazy, but yeah. And I just want to. Calm. Less chaotic. What I prefer. That was crazy. I wasn't able to come for 10 days because I hadn't had my vehicle. So I said to myself, I don't want to come back on Saturday anymore. I'll go do the weekdays because it's, less people. But because it was so long, I didn't want to miss today. And it's supposed to be raining, and it stopped. Called for rain, and it's going to be raining tomorrow and for the next several days. I said I better go then. I always bring the glasses, the camera glasses, but I rarely use them. But I want to have them on, God, just in case, hopefully nothing ever happens. So I go out of my way to avoid trouble, not look for it, and walk away and ignore. And I've been very successful. But this is also cool to see the wildlife, because that's the big part of why I come here. The seagulls. I love them. I'm always very courteous, because I know this is their home, and I'm just passing by. So I don't ever want to disturb them. I go out of my way to not to disturb them, and they know it. I love seeing the wildlife, and it's the ocean, the sound of the ocean, the sun. It's a formula. And then pelicans. Every now and again, you see the pelicans. They're giant, like a dinosaur flying by you. It's amazing. And I go around the block and I walk, and that's what I was doing. I didn't have my vehicle to come here, and it's not bad, but it's nothing like the beach for me. Talked about this before. How many things you'll love your entire life, but if you love the beach as a kid, you'll love the beach as an adult. It's one of the few things you will love your entire life if you loved it as a kid. And I loved the beach when I was a kid. I mean, then my mom used to drop me off from 9 to 5. Not that I asked for that, because I certainly didn't. But with a fishing pole, and me and some old men, fishing, and I did that. And every summer we'd go to the beach, Todd's Point in Greenwich, Connecticut. And we go all day, and I just loved it. I was a difficult kid, I'm sure. So that's my parents would tell you. But when I was at the beach, I wasn't. I was the happiest kid you ever saw. And that just makes me think that, if they would have put me in the right direction, certain activities, things could have probably went a lot better between my relationship with them. I'm leaving home very young. And that's tough. That's very difficult at times. You learn a lot of stuff fast, and you got to grow up fast too. Oh, that's a jellyfish. Yeah. This never works. I do this every time. It never works. I get them in the water, and I'm not